The acid rain is caused by the increase in the atmospheric concentration of which among the following? Acid rain is primarily caused by the increase in atmospheric concentration of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. And these pollutants are released into the air from the sources like the burning of fossil fuels in power plants, vehicles, as well as industrial processes. So that means once sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide react with water vapor, oxygen and other chemicals, they form sulfuric acid as well as nitric acid, which then fall to the ground as acid rain. So this acidic precipitation can harm the aquatic ecosystems, soil and plant life. So that means the correct answer is option B, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Whereas coming to first option, that is ozone and dust, this is incorrect. Option C, sulfur trioxide and carbon monoxide is also incorrect answer. Option D, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide do contribute to the climatic change and air pollution but do not directly cause acid rain. So option D is incorrect. The correct answer is option B.